Otumak Yurus ban happy. Keeping a mariage fresh and exciting cambe challenging, amid the stress of daily life. Thankfully, there are small de it you can do to keep your husband happy and let him know that you love him more and more a day. Sharing the responsibility of marriage, and three different approach to leading a happy, spontaneous life to gratify you and your spouse both emotionally and sexually. Three some of the diablo to your husband heartstring and make your marriage survive. Keeping the flamme alive. The romantique. Romance quand exilibe comme a backburner priority after year of marriage. Mac surtout sa team for romantic activity, like candle dinner, bival set, en cuddling, up to watch a movie. Spice up your sex life. On of the main aspect of marriage ou excitement quand qui cliff addit sexual aspect. You'll but have to work hard to keep your sex life interesting, but thankfully there are several things that you can do. Don't get stuck in a boring routine. If you and your hubby are used to having sex with you and if for a play or one before, sex can become just a note activity to happen when you get in bed. Take the time to OOT a spontaneous time through good day to avoir feeling like you have simply scheduled time for being intimate. Scheduled sex in no sexy. Listen to your hubby one need. Know why your hubby preference are en why want to try in the bedroom. I desire ma change en vetim. Just ask him why like en want. Ti question in itself can blature non. Treat for bid method. Ti method was developed by a with WHO so tenei to change thing up in her relationship with her husband. Te méthode restante promise ta esposa able in which tot espouse drop a bid when te want to intimate, en tot esposa a certain amount of time to act on te request. Set a that night. Between you and your hubby busy schedule, it can be very hard to find time to spend with EOT. Mac a comim to go on a date or Mac a home cooked melt GTA list on sa vehicle. There are some that night idea. Go to dinner en a movie. Ti classique ne vege old if you switch up te restaurant movie genre vehicle. Mac dîner te GT. Tri making a dishta require more effort on you will mac on a random week night. Mac pizza from scratch to have fun while cooking. Go on a picnic in spring en sommet. A romantique picnic in a mido or on habille agréable to jet tout dehors en span some team te GT. Go is skating in ouiante. Hold on with your hubby anglais de honte is. Do sommeting adventure, like en extreme sport. You could go rock climbing, snowboarding, surfing, etc. Sans flirty text message through good day. Some team noting bet tant a spontaneous text or voice message from your love. Call just to say love you or sans your hubby a flirty message ta content something for him to look forward to. Sans sexy Snapchat to your hubby to remind moi waiting for him after work. Mac surtout varnim ta you sans a sexy snap in advance, so tal de 1 open it in front of if rien, or worse, I colg. Puis a vidéo or website link on i Facebook page to something ta a special manning to your relationship. Ti could but music video to a love song, or a clip of your favorite comedy show, etc. Get some new sexy outfit. If you're constantly wallowing around in sweatpants, it might be time to take a trip to mal for some new clothes. Turn nothing wrong with being comfortable in front of your hubby, but surtout always take care of yourself well. Spice up a plein outfit with a sexy blouse or dress. Put on a pair of stiletto to elongate your leg. Every man love long, sexy leg. A pair of hilar a qui can easy way to make an outfit look sexy. Get some new lingerie. Lingerie a sexy way to spice up your bedroom life or make your hubby see you in a new light. Avant attractive en confident attitude. Ben attractive y sain à la bout looking sexy, y a bout exuding a confident en compassionate attitude avel. Be surtout retint à qu'un disposition tovar your husband considerate of y feeling alve. Exude happiness. A human, vral going to have a good day en bad day. Will you should try to mask your feeling if you are feeling sad or depressed, you should try to be pleasant person to be around whenever possible. Smile. Visual signal are just important avoir. Avoid walking around with a skull on your face all day and try to smile as much as possible. Exercise. It might sound like a plan to get you to work out for the sake of a sexy body, but exercise can provide you with so much more than a slim frame or ripped ab. When you exercise, your body release endorphins, neurotransmitter that reduce stress and induce happiness. Maintaining a steady exercise routine has also been shown to increase sexual desire and result positive effect working out on your body and mind. Stress reducing exercise like yoga, or energy inducing exercise like running. Don't overlook the positive effect that simply feeling sexy can have on your love life. When you feel desirable, your confidence en sexuality shine through. 1. Bain spontané. Go to concert GT. Get ticket to go see one of your favorite band live. Concert are extremely memorable experience that create unique feeling et team. Take a spontaneous trip. Pack up the car will you be away from home and drive to a location you have but been wanting to visit for a while. Make a playlist for the road trip that represents your relationship. Stay up all night for a movie marathon. Do have a favorite movie producer? Compile all of your favorite movie, eat up some popcorn, and waste away the night watching them all. Will you might fall asleep in the process? Staying up for a movie marathon can buffening give you and your some quality cuddle time at home. Go camping. A rustic outing can extremely romantic, especially when a night spent at the start GT. Take the bar essential en it tout ou to spend some time alone on a mini vacation tao on break the bank. Leave love not around toes. Scatter lit the love not around toes or your will se theme. But don't stop to, pucut not in clot pocket or stick on I love you on I car steering well. Lit te le gesture like te will make him smile through good day encore a ligo a long way. Introduce him to something new. Did you recently read an book or discover an new band? Share your finding with your husband. Introducing new thing to your relationship give you more to talk about.